Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Phantom Wallet. On the dashboard, find and click the Receive button. This will bring up different network options. Select the network you are using to send funds. For this example, we will choose Solana. Next, you will see a wallet address. Click the copy icon to copy it. Now, head over to the exchange or wallet where your funds are stored. In this case, we will use Binance. On Binance, go to the home screen, tap Wallet, then select Withdraw. In the search bar, type Solana and choose it. Next, select the Send via Crypto Network option. Paste the wallet address you copied from Phantom Wallet into the recipient address field. Make sure the selected network matches Solana to avoid any issues. Then, enter the amount you want to send and tap Withdraw. Binance will ask for verification. Complete the steps, and once everything is confirmed, your funds will be sent. After the transaction is complete, open Phantom Wallet again, and you will see your updated balance. So that's basically how you can deposit money in Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.